Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to convert ounce to cup. Alright, so let's start with question. 10 ounce equals how many cups? Alright, so before we answer the question, you need to know the formula. 1 ounce equals 0.125 cup. Alright, so this is the answer. Let's write down again the question. 10 ounce equals how many cup? And then let's write the formula which we have from the previous page. So the formula is 1 ounce equals 1.125 cup. And then here's how you answer the question. First, you need to write down this formula and put it here. Alright, just write down the same exactly the same equation, just like this. You put that here, and then this is the question. 10 ounce, how many cup? Because from this equation you only have 10 as a number, then you need to put that 10 in here. So you put the 10 and multiply it with the number with from the left side of equal sign and the right side of equal sign. So in the left side times it 10, in the right side you multiply it with 10 as well. Alright, so 10 times 1 ounce equal 10 ounce, and then 0.125 cup times 10 equals 1.25. So every time you multiply anything with 10, the decimal with 10, then you just need to put to move the dot from here to here. So you multiply 10, you just move the dot from here to here, which is why we have 1.25 cup. Alright, that's all from me. Bye.